How to hide your account on Instagram. So to hide your account on Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram app like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, go to this menu at the top right side. Now, go to this settings and privacy. Scroll to down and go to this, as you can see now, go to this messages and story replies. After you open this message and story replies, go to this show account activity status. Now, make sure you turn off this option as you can see now. Make sure you turn it off like this as you can see now. Maybe by default you can be able to see it like this. Turn it off like this. After you turn it off, now tap on this back arrow again. So now scroll to down and search for this as you can see now. Here is it, account privacy. Tap on it. After you open account privacy, go and turn on this option as you can see now, private account. So tap on this to switch to private account. So now I switch my account to private. No one can be able to search my account. No one can be able to see what I shared on my Instagram account. So for now, this is the only option for you to hide your Instagram account. There is no any official button from Instagram to hide your Instagram account, but you can be able to make your account private. No one can be able to see all what you shared on your Instagram account. And sometimes this option hide your Instagram profile as well. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.